want you to remember this. There's never going to be a particular time in your existence that the thought of regrets is going to fade entirely, but the feeling towards that thought will bring you so much happiness because of how far you've come and how much grown, and that is a soul regret-free life. How many of you still remembers the books you've read and taught by others? Somehow I bet you still remembers how those days feels like. Our experiences are like books in writing. We feel mostly then we put it to paper for others to read, but within ourselves exists library of countless of our adventures of everyday life and experiences. Regrets are like the key points in our lives to constantly remind us that we didn't live our true experiences at that point, and since we're still part of life, we should make a conscious efforts to get in touch with our soul, so that in integration between what is felt and what is blinding, we can truly see the potential of ourselves and our world and worlds beyond. Nature is our mother, and within her we get everything we could possibly want to experience. When we get sick, she provides us with health. When we get hurt, she heals us. And when we want to sleep, she provides us bird songs and calm atmosphere, so we may have great dreams about her and share it with others when we wake. So please don't say you hate this world, wishing that you were never born. And saying dying is way better than living, because you make all the dreams sad when you're sad. Whenever you feel down and need someone to listen and maybe talk back to you, get a tree and speak to your mother, and you will see her in your dreams, and you will know how much mother love her seeds.